You got Uber to crits.
I got crits.
No, that was Uber.
Okay, where am I?
Huh? I've gotten a lot. Spy! 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 Behind you, medic! No!
Oh my god, I'm a gamer.
Don't touch him! Don't touch him! No! Wish by a pyro while I was burning.
Spy, you were disguised. You were full health. Why didn't you take that med kit?
Doctor, no!
Yes, there's the
No!
killing.
This is spy! Right at it.
I wanted to yell ow, but instead I just ow! Oh! Ow! 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 Charlie horse! Where's your teleporter?
Going up.
Yeah, but it's in a safe spot.
Though.
Oh, okay.
I wouldn't say that, but take it at your own risk. It's a good spot, but it's not. It's a risky one.
Oh my god! Good fucking teleporter, I suppose!
What just happened?
I just killed 4 of them! Goes to show how fucking doo-doo far this game is. There's a spot.
Dude, I was chasing what I thought was the spy.
Woo!
So bad.
Stupid! Ah!
I'm fucking gaming.
Oh, you can get up here?
Randy, I'm gonna murder you.
Just get your crits dropped.
And
Yeah.
I killed your NG behind Crow.
Oh! Oh. They have Uber.
So,
Oh. Oh my god, no way.